Hello and welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys at home how to make this delicious tuna shakshuka. It's got a slight twist on the classic dish, but in my opinion it's just as delicious. It's low carb, healthy, and it's the perfect way to start the day with. Let's go. Begin by oiling a pan and adding half an onion, 1 red pepper, half a red chilli, and mix everything together on medium heat. Add 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of fresh parsley, and a tablespoon of fresh thyme. After a few minutes, you'll then add 1 can of chopped tomatoes. Make sure these are organic for the best flavour. Mix everything together and leave to simmer for 5 minutes. Add 1 can of spring water tuna and again mix that back into the pan, and then you will pour into an oven-proof dish. Layer the mixture out evenly and then using your wooden spoon, create 4 whorls ready for your eggs. Crack 4 large organic eggs into their holes and then crumble 60 grams of feta cheese over your dish evenly. I like to make sure this goes everywhere, and then once that's done, season it with some salt and pepper, and then it's ready for the oven. For temperature times, please click the link in the caption for the full recipe, and once you have baked for 10 minutes, dig in and enjoy. If you love this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more delicious recipes, then make sure you check out our Primal playlist, Tasty Primal Meals.